How to use Spocket Dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Spocket to dropship. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on spocket.co, and this is their main website, and over here you can quickly install Spocket and create an account, and you can use it to integrate it with other websites to start dropshipping. So let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and create an account on Spocket, and it's pretty simple. It's not free, so just wanted to let you know, but no credit card is required. You can use it for a limited time, and after that you can choose to whether you want to buy it. So let's get started. So just simply enter in your email address over here and click on get started. And then once you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, this is how it's going to look like. So over here you can use Pocket to drop ship your products from AliExpress. So it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. So over here you have your import list over here. So over here you're going to have your products. So it shows currently that I have 12 products imported. So as you can see over here, and the process is very simple, right? Nothing too crazy. Let me just remove all of this, and now let's go ahead and search for some products. So if I wanted to search products, I'll just simply click over here onto this button, and it's gonna take me over here onto AliExpress, where I can go ahead and find different products. Right now there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either create a account on a different website such as Ecwid or Shopify, and then you can download the integration app, and then you can use it over there, which I think is, but over here you can use it like this as well. So pretty simple. So let's go over here onto AliExpress. We need to install the plugin, and then we need to log into the Spocket account. Then we need to open up AliExpress product, and then click on import button, and then we are good to go. So let's go ahead and click on install and install the integration over here. As you can see, we're going to install the extension. We'll just simply click on add extension. Now it's going to be added over here. So let me just pin this right there, and boom, there we go. Now let me just click over here, and I'm already logged in. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and try to find a product, right? So over here we have a bunch of different products that we can choose. So let's just assume that this jacket right here, this jacket is the one that we want to import. So we click over here. All right, as you can see, recommended product. Then we simply click over here and we log in with Google. There we go. Now we have logged in, and here we go. Right now we just simply click on import product to Spocket. It's going to add this product over here, and let's go ahead and open up the import list to see the product that we have just added. So it should be over here. There we go. As you can see, this is the product right here, and then we can go ahead and change the name of the product. We can change the category and collection, and then we can push to store. So if you click over here, you have to, select the store. So over here, as you can see, then you will have to buy a starter plan. So let's go ahead and try the minimum account over here. It's going to be a 14-day trial, and then after that, you will have to pay $24.99 per month. You can cancel during or after your trial, although your first bill will be scheduled to your according date. And so just enter in your card details, agree to the terms and services, and claim your trial. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, right? Now let me just show you how you can use it on Ecwid. So if I click over here and I go over to ecwid.com and I log in with my account real quick, it's going to load up over here, and once it's loaded up, we are good to go. All right, so here we go. Now if we wanted to use Ecwid, and if we wanted to use Spocket, we just simply click over here onto the left side. At the bottom we have apps. We go over here onto the app market. Now once we're over here, we come over here onto the left side where we have the categories. We click on drop shipping, and over here you're going to see the number one is going to be Spocket. So we just simply click on the application, and then we just simply upgrade our account. But if you already have an upgraded account, you just simply click on it and add to cart, which I think is pretty simple. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing I did. I'm not gonna buy this application for now because I think there are a couple of other ones out there that do the exact same job for free. So for example, let me show you over here this dropshipping account such as Sup or Syncki or Printful. Like, these are dropshipping account. So I've been using Sup dropshipping, and I feel like it's pretty easy and really fun to use, and it does everything Spocket would do. Like, this is for those who don't want to, buy Spocket. But if you want to buy Spocket, as I said before, it's going to be 24.99 for the starter plan. The pro plan is going to cost you $50 over here. The Empire is going to cost you $100, and then the Unicorn is going to cost you $300, and each one is going to have their own features and pros and cons. So starter one, you're going to get 25 unique products, and in the pro you get 250, in the max, and in the Empire you get 10,000, and for the sale and for the Unicorn you get 10,000 as well, but you get bulk checkout and product request as well. So keep that in mind. But if you want to use something free, something that's affordable, then I would suggest sub drop shipping on Equid, and I feel like it's pretty easy. So let me show you. So if I click on open account or open app over here, it's going to take me over to the subs dashboard over here. And over here, this is how it's going to look like. Over here, you're going to have your total sales, your total orders, and money spent and money saved and all of that. Now, how do you import different products? So again, come over here onto the left side, click on find products, and down below you will see imported products. So over here you will have your imported products, right? This is a product that I had previously added. Now, how do I add more products? Well, if I come back over here onto AliExpress, right, and I try to find a product that I would want to go ahead and import it onto my store, then let's go ahead and see. So let's just assume that maybe we want this jacket, or maybe you want these trousers, or this jacket, or whatever, right? Whatever product you want, you just simply click on it and you can import it. So let's say these sneakers. So these sneakers are currently going around for $2.95 and up to $11. And what we'll need to do is we'll just copy the link, copy it, go back to sub over here, paste the link over here, and simply click on import product. Then wait for a couple of seconds for the product to be imported, and then we can go ahead and start on our store. So as you can see, acquisition successful, and over here is your product. So now if we want to list it to our store, we click on list it to our store, we choose the store we want it to be on, and then we have all the configuration settings. So as you can see, the base price is going to be $11, and sometimes shipping rates can be up to, let's say, 10 to 15. So keep that in mind, and then raise your price. So let's say we want to sell it for 25, and then all of the price of all of the products are going to be $25, and then we can choose the images, we can choose the product name, we can add description over here. And once everything is done, just simply click on list now. This will take a couple of seconds, and then the product will be listed onto your store. Boom, here we go. As you can see, listed successfully. Now you can go ahead and view it on your store. Let's go ahead and see it over here, shall we? Here we go. So as you can see, we have around these shoes. We have it over here on different colors, different sizes, and people can go ahead and buy it for their own price. So as you can see, it works pretty fine. It's really, really good. So that's it for this video, guys. But if you wanted to use Spocket as well, then of course you can do that. It has more features than sub, but it's your own personal preference. If you don't want to spend that much money, then you could go with an alternative route. But if you want to use Spocket, it's perfectly fine as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.